Skywest 6320, it appears you have a trail of smoke following the aircraft.
Skywest 6320, Roger, like to, airport would like to return to the field then.
Skywest 6320, contact departure, I'll let them know, and yeah, I can still see a slight trail behind the aircraft, appears.
Over departure, Skywest 6320. Skywest 6320 is 3600 for 5,000, been advised by tower, they see smoke trailing the aircraft, so we'd like to return to the field.
Skywest 6320 on to departure, radar contact. Can you maintain 5,000 to get over some restricted airspace?
Hey, firm for Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, Roger, in your radar contact, turn right heading at 130 vectors for the XBA ILS.
Alright, 130, Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, there's a little bit of weather on final for 36s. There's not so much on 18. I'm not sure if you can get the visual if I got you down or just turn you back around to the west.
Well, yeah, we can probably get the visual, Skywest with 6320.
Roger, stand by. The Huntsville winds 1703.
Going hard.
6320, turn left heading 360. We'll get you in for 18 left. Skywest 6320, cleared back to the Huntsville Airport via radar vectors, fly heading 330, descend and maintain 4,000.
Alright, clear to the Huntsville Airport via radar vectors, heading 330 and descend and maintain 4,000, Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, read back is correct, altimeter Huntsville 3014, and winds 1703 on the field.
Roger, Skywest 6320, 3014.
Skywest 6320, descend and maintain 3,000. Did you say you did have the field in sight?
Skywest 6320, descend and maintain 3,000.
Skywest 6320, did you say you had the field in sight, 9 o'clock, 8 miles?
Field in sight, Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, cleared visual approach for my 18 left.
Clear visual approach for my 18 left, Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, aircraft at 1 o'clock and 5 miles, 2,600, they're going to turn inbound to follow you. You can kind of tower 127.6.
127.6, Skywest 4826, approach 6320. Skywest 6320 is visual 18 left.
Skywest 6320 Huntsville Tower, runway 18 left, clear to land, wind 2003.
Land, 18 left, Skywest 6320.
Skywest 6320, turn right at Echo 8.
Right at Echo, Skywest 6320.
Any signs west of the smoke, Skywest 6320?
Yeah, I don't see anything with you coming in. What are you going to do?
We have no indication on here.
Skywest 6320, we got no indications on board. I guess we'll have to return to the gate here.
Skywest 6320, Roger, taxi via Echo Juliet, remain this frequency.
Echo Juliet, remain this frequency, Skywest 6320.